In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API key in Zoho Books using the Chrome browser. This simple process will allow you to integrate Zoho Books with other applications seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Zoho Books login page. Enter your account credentials to access your Zoho Books dashboard. It's essential to ensure your login details are correct and that you're logging into the right account, especially if you're managing multiple Zoho accounts. This is your starting point for creating a connection between Zoho Books and any other apps or services you might be using. Once you're in your account, your next step is to find the settings section. You can usually find it in the bottom left corner of the screen. This section is your go-to for tailoring your Zoho Books experience to meet your specific needs. Here you'll find a collection of tools and options to enhance your account's functionality. Navigate to the developer space. This is an important area for extending Zoho Books' capabilities beyond its standard features. The developer space is where you can manage integrations, set up APIs, and customize how Zoho Books works in tandem with other software solutions you use. Under Developer Space, you'll see an option for API. Click on this to move forward in the process. On the API page, you have the option to either generate API key or create auth token. Both of these serve as unique identifiers that allow external apps and services to interact securely with your Zoho Books account without sharing your Zoho account credentials. For this tutorial, click on Generate API Key. This is a straightforward approach to enabling third-party connectivity while maintaining security. Once you've clicked to generate the API key, you'll see the API key displayed on your screen. It's crucial to copy this key immediately and securely. You can do this by selecting the API key and using the copy function, either by right-clicking and selecting copy, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac. Keep in mind that the API key acts like a password for your integrations, so treat it with care and store it in a secure location. Also, avoid sharing it openly or storing it in places that are not secure. Now that you have your API key stored safely, you can use it to connect Zoho Books with external applications or services. This key allows you to automate processes, synchronize data, and enhance the efficiency of your business operations by integrating with tools like analytics platforms, CRMs, or any other apps that your business relies on. And there you have it. You successfully generated an API key for Zoho Books using Chrome and learned how to secure it for your integrations. Now you can explore all the exciting possibilities that come with integrating Zoho Books into your business's tech ecosystem. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.